Today we'll learn how to clean one column based on information in the second column. And in our example, we have in column name information about cryptocurrencies. We have a cryptocurrency name and its symbol, and we have already symbol in other column, so we want to remove those symbols from column name. But the challenge we have is that not all cryptocurrencies have the same width of the symbol, so we have different number of signs to remove, and we can do it in Power Query. We want to do it in Power Query, so we are going to Data tab from Table Range. We are loading information to Power Query, and when we load our information in Power Query, we have also more columns that we won't want to focus today, so we can select them and delete. We will get back to them at the end of the video. And now we have only 3 columns, and the most important for us are column name and symbol. Okay, so we can select column name and go to Add Column tab, and here we want to extract information after delimiter. This will be our first solution. So text after delimiter, and in our user interface we can write here only text or parameter, but we have only text. So let's start with BTC and press OK, and based on this solution we will get only Bitcoin, because only this name has BTC at the start, so we can find this trace in this form. But we want to change our formula in formula bar to work with other columns, and the change we have to do, it's based on this text. We can change this text to reference to the column, to symbol column, and just like that we will get our results, proper names for our cryptocurrencies. And the second solution will be a bit harder, because we have also have to add column, custom column this time, because there isn't this function available in our user interface on the tab. So the custom name for the column can stay, because we will change it later. And now we need the Text.RemoveRange, and but uppercase later, and Text.RemoveRange. Okay, so let's put too many text words. Okay, and we have 2 instances of this function. We need the second one when we can add the number of signs to remove. So we are removing text from our text, so the column name, and we are starting from sign number, and we have to remember that Power Query is 0 base, so the first sign has a number 0, and then can count the numbers of signs to remove from this position. And to count we will use Text.Length function, and a reference to the symbol column we have to close this function and this function. Okay, yes, okay, we have the same result but with more complicated function. And now we can delete name column, change, for example, name for text after delimiter column to name column, and before we drag this column to be before symbol column, we will delete removed columns step. So we will get back those columns before. So X, delete, yes, remove this column, and now in our last step we have all previous columns. And now I can drag my name column to the front, so on the second position after rank column but before symbol column. And in this example we have also column circulating supply, which also have those symbols. And in this case the situation is simple, because in each those rows there is a space before those unnecessary signs. So we can just transform our column, extract information before delimiter. The delimiter is just a space, so press OK, and we have cleaner data. Those aren't all necessary transformation for this table, but we want to today we focus on the cleaning one column based on the other column. Okay, so now go to Home tab, close and load to, and this sheet, an existing worksheet, but in the cell A13, and we can see we have clean name column, and we saw two formulas to do it.